Hi, hello everyone. I'm back again. Today I'm going to share a very special and yummy recipe, mango cake. Come on, let's have a look. Mango cake ingredients: maida 100 gram, powdered sugar 100 gram, butter 100 gram, eggs 2 in number, mango pulp 1 cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, chopped dates 2 tablespoons. Method: first of all, we will sieve maida and baking powder in a flat tray. Sieving is very important to discard any unwanted particles. Now we will transfer that into a deep bowl. In another bowl, we will take 100 gram butter and will melt it. In that, we will add powdered sugar and will mix it well. You can use any beater also. I have used just a simple spoon. Now to it we will add the eggs. One teaspoon vanilla essence. If you are having mango essence, you can give, but I prefer vanilla essence. It gives a very sweet smell and taste. Now beat it well. If you are having electric beater, you can use. Now the maida which we have shifted in a big glass bowl, in that we will mix the chopped date and the mango pulp and mix it properly. So in this mixture, maida, baking powder, chopped dates and the mango pulp. We have to mix it very well, and then the mixture of butter, powdered sugar and egg with vanilla essence will transfer on it. And then again we have to mix it very well so that there should not be any lump formation. You can use whipper also. Now in a microwave proof glass tray, we will first grease it. I have used white oil, brush it properly, all the sides, corners. You can check the consistency, it's a spoon dropping consistency. Now the whole mixture we will pour into this greased glass baking tray. Here we don't need to add any water or milk, as because mango pulp itself is a little bit watery. Pour it very uniformly on the tray, and now in a preheated micro oven, keep the tray in a low rack and place inside it. Bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Then let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes before removing from the tray. You can see it has become very soft and fluffy. The look it's coming, and so nicely it is coming out from the tray. You can place it in any serving plate. So here the mango cake is ready. You can decorate of your own wish. I have kept it simple. So season special mango cake. Thank you.